What up, guys? Welcome back. We're actually on day 69, giggity. This is today's Saturday, actually, and so no market stuff today. I actually wanted to talk to you guys about, I was talking with someone on YouTube, and he asked me, how much have you made on Apple, like total profit? And I was like, I actually never actually sat down and calculated it. So today's video, since we have about 1 minute left of the day, day 69, I'm going to talk about exactly how much I've made on Apple. So I added it all up right here, all here, and I will kind of go through the chronological order of how I got to where I'm at right now with Apple. So, need to log into my account first. Alright, so I just turned on another light to hopefully get some more light in here. And it's kind of late, so I'm trying to be a little quiet because my girlfriend's sleeping. But, so I have like all the transaction history of Apple, so I'll try to go as fast as I can. We're literally going back all the way to January of 2012. So there's kind of a lot that I did a lot of trading with Apple, especially because I didn't really know what I was doing in the beginning. So I was like selling Apple when I really should have been holding on to it. But it's hard to predict the future. So hindsight's always 20/20. So let's just get into it. January 31st, 2012, I bought 4 shares of Apple at $455.84 a share. So that cost me $18.30.36. And then March 19th, I bought 7 more shares at $595.47 a share, and that cost me $4,175. April 19th, I bought 9 more shares at $587, and that cost me $5,290. So with those first 3 trades I did with Apple, I'm now in for $11,296.55. And then on April 23rd, literally 4 days later, I sold all those shares, all 20 shares, for $11,304.54. So now I'm currently profiting $7.99. At this point, I'm booking my first cruise because I'm freaking swimming in dough. Okay, so then right after that in May 7th, 2012, I bought 10 shares. At this point, I start to collect dividends because Apple, in the summer of 2012, announced that they were going to start releasing dividends. So on August 16th, I made $26.50 dividends. And on November 15th, 2012, I made another $26.50 dividends. And by the way, this is only on 10 shares. So they were paying a really high dividend. That's because this was before they did the 7-to-1 stock split. So literally their shares were worth 7 times as much as they are today. Okay, and then February 14th, Valentine's Day of 2013, I got another $26.50 in dividends. May 16th, 2013, I got $30.50 dividends because they increased their dividends from $2.65 a share to $3.05 a share. May 16th, and then August 15th, got another $30.50 in dividends. November 14th, 2013, I got another $30.50 in dividends. In December of that year, I bought 10 more shares, which ran me $5,612. February 13th, 2014, collected, because I own 20 shares at this point, I collected $61 in dividends. And then May 15th, 2014, they increased the dividends from $3.05 a share to $3.29 a share. So I collected $65.80 in dividends in May of 2014. Okay, right around between May and June, like right around that time, actually it says June 6, 2014, that's when they did the 7-to-1 stock split. So now I went from 20 shares to 140 shares because they did a 7-to-1 stock split. So you multiply your number of shares that you currently own by 7. And then since the stock price was cheaper, in July, I bought 33 shares of Apple. In August 2014, I collected dividends amounting to $81.31. In September, I sold 13 shares for $1,292. Then I bought 114 shares September 15th, 2014, which cost me $11,642. So now I'm actually currently in the red, $24,652.67. Okay, So November 2014, I sold 24 shares for $2,616. I also sold 50 more shares 3 days later, $5,451. Then I collected dividends that amounted to $117.50. Okay, then February 2015, I collected dividends amounting to $94. Then in May 2015, I collected dividends amounting to $104. Right after that, in May 2015, same month, I sold 75 shares and made $9,800 on that. And then I sold 125 shares. I sold the rest of my shares and got $15,996.14 because I sold those shares at $128.02. And the 75 shares I sold before that, I sold at $130.98. So Apple went on a pretty nice run, and that's right when I got out, was at $130 to $128. So after all of that, I went from negative $24,000 to now profit of $9,550.33. After that, in October, so I sold my shares in June. I didn't buy the shares back until October when the price dropped down to $118.89. So I bought 100 shares, which cost me $11,896.50. Okay, then I collected dividends in November and in February of 2016, $52 each time. So that was $104 in dividends. And then I sold the 100 shares and collected $9,791.14. I sold my shares at a much lower price, so I did take a loss on that. All right, so we're getting towards the end here, actually. So moving on. In April 2016, I bought 70 shares and spent $7,679.69, which I am now in the red, $130.72. Then I sold those shares and collected $7,517. I took a little bit of a loss there, but I'm still profit total $7,386.56. So after that, I bought 55 shares in May 2016 that cost me $5,374.31, which put me at a total profit of $2,012.25. And then I sold those shares for $5,341. In July 21st of 2016, I bought 115 shares of Apple at $100.43 a share. Then I collected dividends for $65.55. And at this point, big shout out again to my friend Matt, because he told me about this thing called dividend reinvestment, which I talked about in a prior video. But you can sign up for this program through whoever you're trading with, and they can take those dividends and rebuy shares of stock, whichever ones you choose, commission free. So I opted into that program, and when I collected that dividend, it gave me enough money to buy another share of Apple. So I bought one share of Apple at $104.58, $0 commission. And by the way, all these totals I'm telling you take into account the fees I paid. So I probably paid a lot in fees at this point. But for that one share, I did not. Okay, after I bought that one share, I bought 84 more shares in October of 2016 and spent $9,858.28. All right, and then I started to sell my shares again. So I sold 50 shares at the end of October. Then I sold November 1st, I sold another 50 shares, collected $5,543. With the shares I had remaining, I collected $57 in dividends. That was in November. And then finally, after I collected the dividends, I sold the rest of my shares and collected $10,736.17. January 5th, 2017 of this year, I bought 60 shares of Apple at $116, and that cost me $7,011. Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry for the abrupt pause, but I think my camera ran out of battery or something, but I did want to film an update. So today's June 10th, 2017, and I'm going to go through the rest of the trades I've made since I recorded this video, and the ones I haven't mentioned yet, so that you can see the most up-to-date totals for the profit. Now, some of these options that I recently bought, if you've been watching the vlog so far, you'll know that I still own them today, so that won't be reflected in the total profit. The only thing that will be reflected in the total profit is from when, for just things that I actually sold in the positions that I closed. So the profit won't be 100% up to date just because I still own some of the Apple positions that I'm in, but you'll get the most up to date profit that you can see. So I'm just gonna, instead of going doing the line by line I'm just gonna show the whole page of trades so that you can kind of go through them quickly if you want. I'll read through them quickly and then update the total profit as I read them. But we're already like 10 minutes in the video, so I wanna get it done as quick as possible. All right, so without further ado, let's just keep going. All right, so on January 23rd, I bought 40 more shares of Apple so I could sell my first covered call contract. So at that day, I also sold my first call option contract, February 17th, 2017 expiration, $124 strike. I didn't know that I could buy that contract back at the time, so the person ended up exercising their option. So on February 8th, I ended up selling my shares for $124. And I took that money, and then on February 9th, I bought 5 call option contracts, October 20th expiration, 150 strike. Then on March 21st, I bought 30 more contracts, same expiration, but $165 strike. All right, so on April 4th, I bought 9 call options for Apple, October 20th expiration, 165 strike. April 6th, I bought 100 shares of Apple, 143.91. And then on April 13th, I sold a covered call contract, 147 strike. So I believe that one expired, so we got to keep that premium. And then on May 4th, I sold another covered call contract, May 19th this time, and 150 strike. And so I collected that premium there. And then on May 17th, I bought, that was that one day I lost a ton of money. You'll see that come pretty soon. But I lost a lot of money, so I decided to buy a put option just in case Apple kept going down. And that ended up being a bad idea, as you'll see. May 18th, I did receive dividend on the 100 shares of Apple that I owned. And then the same day, I sold that put option contract at a loss. I also bought that covered call that I sold. I bought that back because it looked like Apple was going past the strike, so I didn't want to lose my shares. So I bought back that covered call. And then I sold a new one the same day, May 26th expiration this time, 160 strike. And that one did end up expiring worthless, so we got to keep our shares and we got to keep that premium. But on May 30th, so right when that contract expired, I sold my 100 shares, and then I used that money to buy 10 more contracts, call options, January 19th expiration at $180 strike. And then I also, the next day, May 31st, I sold my 5 calls that I had that was October 20th expiration at 150 strike. I wanted to take my profits on that one. And then I used that money, June 5th, I bought 3 more contracts, December 15th, 2017 expiration at $170 strike price. So those are all the trades I've did up until now. Some of these options I still own, so I'll put on the screen here the options that I currently own, and right as of today, June 10th, what my profit is on those, and I'll put that below. I'm not going to add it to the total profit yet because I didn't sell them yet, so we don't know what my total profit will be, but you can see what my total profit is currently as of June 10th, so that if you wanted to add that to the total profit, you could. But so yeah, so that covers everything. I'm gonna let myself take it over from here, and then we'll finish the video. Thanks, guys. All right, so hope you guys liked this video. Please hit that like button if you did, and comment in the comment section below what you thought of it. If you do want to see more, let me know. And if you really don't care for them, let me know too, and I won't make any more of them. But yeah, so just let me know what you guys think. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and share with your friends if they're also thinking about investing in stocks. And other than that, I hope you guys had a fantastic weekend so far. Tomorrow is Sunday, and I hope you guys have a great Sunday, and we will see you guys on Monday.